Hello everyone, and welcome to my course on Super Bowl wagering. My name is Bob Watson, and you may be familiar with me from some of my other courses on football wagering, particularly Sports Betting Simplified and Fantasy Football How to Play, How to Win. This course is going to be a little bit more specific than those other courses because I'm only going to be talking about the one game that everybody in America watches every single year, and many people in foreign countries will also watch, and that game is the Super Bowl. It's the most highly gambled on sporting event out of every single sporting event there is. It even takes in more money than the Kentucky Derby. And it's a really excellent wagering opportunity for everybody in the world to take advantage of. So I'm going to talk specifically about some of the things that we're going to cover in this introductory video. Before we get too involved with the actual course content, I want to talk about the focus of the course. First and foremost, my goal in this class, just like it is in my other sports wagering classes, is that you make a lot of money with what you're learning here. The whole purpose behind betting is to make money, and there's a lot of really good ways to do it. But as you probably expect from a topic like gambling, there's a lot of ways that you cannot do it. So what I want to do here in this course is I want to teach you how to play all the different wagers, but more importantly to me is that you play smart, and you play in such a way that you're going to make money if you make the right bets. And, you know, they like to convolute it a lot around Super Bowl time in terms of the different ways you can wager and make money, and a lot of wagers are specifically designed to sound attractive and actually be terrible wagers, and I want to make sure you avoid those in this class. So with that said, here's what we're going to actually cover in this course. The first lesson, after this one, it's the second lesson of the course, is going to be about spread betting. And that's opposed to money line betting and over-unders, which we're all going to cover those three different topic areas in that first video. These are the most basic bets you can make on a Super Bowl or on any sports wagering thing for that matter. The video after that, the third lesson, is going to be about prop betting or proposition wagers. And props are something that is only really available to you during major sporting events. And the Super Bowl has hundreds, if not thousands, of different prop bets that you can do. It's a great way to make some money while betting on something that's a little outside the normal. One of the things that people ask me to cover all the time in my other course is about party wagers. And I figured that I would create this content in this course because party wagers are one of the better ways that non-gamblers can really get involved with sports gambling. And there's a lot of really good ways to lose money on these sports wagers, the party wagers in particularly. So I want to go over some of those and teach you about that. And in my final video, I'm going to cover the smart betting strategy that I employ every year. I almost always make some money on the Super Bowl, even when I don't necessarily pick the right teams. So I think that there's definitely a lot of opportunity with this, and I want to share with you my strategy and how I make that happen. With that said, let's get started with the course material. There are 5 lessons. You've already completed the first one, so let's get through those other 4 really quickly.